So the samples we need to conduct a DNA test are cheek cell swabs, okay? There's no requirement for blood or anything horrible like that. Now, the most important thing for any DNA testing company when we take the samples back into the lab is we must have a really good clean sample. So for all you grown-ups out there, what we strongly recommend before you actually take the sample itself is just make sure you maybe swill your mouth out with a glass of water beforehand, and if you can, refrain from eating or drinking for approximately half an hour before the collection itself. Now, the swabs just look like really long cotton buds, and they will all be labelled with your names and pertinent details on there already, so there's no need to worry about mixing the samples up, they're all clearly labelled. Most important thing is do not let your fingers or anybody else's touch the cotton tip of the swab. So when you pull the swab out of its little tube, just make sure you hold the shaft quite firmly and then take the cotton part and push it gently onto the inside of your cheek and rub quite firmly up and down 10 times on the inside of both cheeks. If you're taking a sample from a small child, particularly maybe an under 2, it might be a little easier said than done. So what we do recommend, if at all possible, especially for a newborn, is to try and take the sample just before they have a feed. This maximises the chance of you recovering a really good and clean sample. If you are experiencing difficulties collecting a sample from your young child, especially if they're under the age of 2 or indeed a newborn, a good place to collect a sample from is the lower lip, just between the gum and the inside of the lower lip. If you just place the swab inside there in a sort of vertical position and give it a good old twizzle around for about 10 seconds, that will generate enough cells onto that swab for us to give you a decent DNA profile. We hope you've found the videos informative, but if there's anything that you're not sure about or you just want to talk your scenario through with a member of the team, please feel free to call 0203 603 1189 or email the team at sales@thatdnacompany.com. We'd be pleased to help.